Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change language on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. And after this, you can just simply now tap on settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just simply scroll down and here you can see the option language. Tap on it and after this you can now tap on go to settings and here you can just simply search here Snapchat and after this you can just simply see the last option, that is language. Tap on it and here you can choose any language that you want to change, and it is the way you can change language on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.